Hi student. See, in this session we are learning about petroleum. Petra means is a rock. Petra means rock. See, oleum means oil. See, it is a rock oil. See, petroleum is a dark colored. See, it is a petroleum. Which color is it? See, it is dark in color. Dark in color. Okay. Next we have to see the and thick crude oil found deep below the ground in certain areas. Certain areas. Next, it is a unpleasant odor. Say it is an unpleasant odor. Say unpleasant. It is a odor. Unpleasant odor. Next, we have to see the name petroleum means is a rock oil. It is found under the crust of the earth. Say it is found. It is found under the crust. Under the crust. And see crust. And we have to see the crust and of earth trapped in rocks. See of the earth trapped in rocks. Trapped in rocks. Next, it is complex compound known as hydrocarbons. It is complex compound called hydrocarbons. What is hydrocarbons? Here in this compound, hydrogen is there. Hydrogen, and see this is a carbon. That's why we are calling the hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons. It is insoluble in water. It doesn't soluble in water. See, it is insoluble in water. Insoluble in water. Is it soluble? No, it doesn't soluble in water. Next, we have to see the, and it is also naturally obtained like coal and petroleum, also fossil fuels. It is obtained naturally. See, like coal. See, it is also fossil fuels. It is also a type of fossil fuels. And we have to see petroleums called the crude oil. See, or mineral oil. See, petroleum also is calling the crude oil, mineral oil. Next, we have to see the how petroleum was formed. See, let's learn. See, it is a petroleum. It is a dark in color. It is an unpleasant odor. It is found in under the crust of the earth, trapped in rocks. In between rocks, it is complex compound called is a hydrocarbons. Okay. Next, we have to see that it is insoluble in water. So it is obtained in naturally like coal, fossil fuels. Next, we have to see the how to obtain this petroleum product or petroleum. Okay. See how petroleum was formed. Was formed. How petroleum is formed? See, we have to learn. What said? It is a plants, animals is a buried under the sea millions of year ago. See what said here? Plants is there, animals. See, buried under the sea. Buried under the sea million years ago. Years ago. What will happen? It will form the petroleum product. See, decomposition reaction, it will form the petroleum product. Petroleum. See, which reaction? Decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. In the process of decomposition reaction, we are getting the petroleum product. These dead bodies sank in to the bottom of the sea and were soon covered with mud and sand. See, it is a dead plants and animals is there. Dead plants and animals. What will happen? It is a cover the sand and mud. Sand and mud. This is a totally sand and mud. What will happen? See, it is a decomposition reaction is occurring. The absence of air and due to the high pressure and heat action of bacteria. See, due to the high pressure and heat presence of bacteria. Presence of bacteria. See, bacteria and absence of air and absence of air. See this like it is a these dead plants and animals when die. See, it is a sunk in the it is a bottom of the ocean seas. What will happen? It is a covered totally mud and what is it is a mud and sand. This one mud and sand is covered. What will happen? See, these are a decomposition due to the high pressure is there and temperature also. Presence of bacteria and absence of air. What will happen? It is the dead remains of tiny plants and animals were slowly converted into petroleum. See, this like we are getting the petroleum product. Nowadays, this petroleum product is playing the crucial role. See, day to day, rising the price of the petroleums. See, because of users is increasing. That's why we have to see that this petroleum product, petroleum like see this like butane gas and CNG, LPG, these all gases. Say nowadays we are using. That's why it is a burning of the these rate day to day in common people lives. Is their life is difficult because of it is a high price is a day to day increasing.